So now let's see how we can work around with the tone and 3D LUT options inside of Filmora. So in order to work with them, first of all, I'm going to double click on this video, and then over here on the color tab, you can see that there's tone and 3D LUT as an option. So by default, both of them are turned on. If I were to expand this, then you can see that I have 3 options on tone. I can work around with the contrast, that is the difference between black and white. So if I were to increase this, you can see that the white becomes whiter, the dark becomes darker. But if I were to bring this down, you can see that it becomes more balanced, but dull. You can go around and increase the saturation, that's the color, or make it like very less saturated. You can see that I can take away the colors. Another thing that I can do is I can go around, type in the values just like this as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to press 70, 70 is the value of saturation that's applied right there. Another one is brightness, that increases the overall brightness of the video or decreases it out right here. You can click on these icons to reduce this out as well. So another option that you have that you can use to change out the colors is 3D LUT. So 3D LUT is simply a bunch of presets that you can apply to change out the outlook of the video. And to do that, you simply click on it and choose the one you like. So you can go ahead and see that that immediately changes out the look of the video right there. If you want to bring in more 3D LUT, then you can click on load new LUT, and then you can go around and choose the preset that you want and press open right there. And that is how you can load out external 3D LUTs as well. And that is how you can work around with tone and 3D LUT option to change around the color of video in Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.